up? So what you just saw, everybody, was the beginning breakdown of my kx450. We're just doing a refresh. She was a little banged up from riding the streets and the trails over the summer. So you guys can follow along and watch me work out some of the kinks in this thing. Also, I know the bike is filthy and needs to be cleaned. One of the kinks being, needs a new electrical harness. The taillight doesn't work, and a couple other things are messed up. Also put a nasty gash in it right here. It's the very last trail ride I went on. So that's just a couple of the things. We'll have her worked out soon. The stator cover, waiting on one of these to come in. Fucked that up pretty good. We're making progress.